This document that has been shown to me looks familiar to me, Your Honor. This is this is a consolidation of the allocables, the computed allocable per district, and there are other information here, including what has been the total allocation as for the total allocation from the General Appropriations Act.
Ito pong pangalawang set of files we can validate. Ito po yung hawak ko ngayon. Ito pong first set, we will have to look into this. But I would surmise baka ito po yung galing sa computer ni late Undersecretary Cabral.
Do we have the commitment that they will be further investigated at matitingnan talaga siya?
Since it's with the Office of the Ombudsman, it's really their call. I know for a fact that they will start also some forensics examination of the computer, and then that would start and kick off possible investigations.
Bakit pa tayo magpo-forensic? Alam mo, merong rules on electronic evidence.
We thought that Ombudsman po yung best na mag-handle ng files together with the PNP ACG, Mr. Chair.
At least there are 5 secretaries, cabinet secretaries, and USEC have been recipient of allocables, sabi niya, as shown by the Cabral files. Tiningnan ko talaga. Sa akin kasi ang interpretation ko na hindi kayo kumibo, tama talaga, and the files is accurate.